File, fill, and finger. A tool used to smooth or shape objects. He used a metal file to sharpen the blade. The nail technician grabbed a file to shape my nails. A collection of documents or information stored together. The patient's medical file is confidential. I saved the document in a separate file on my computer. To submit something officially, she filed a complaint against the noisy neighbors. They filed their tax returns just before the deadline. To organize or store something in order. All the reports were filed in alphabetical order. The assistant filed the letters into the appropriate folders. Common phrases. File a complaint. File away. File charges. To add something until it is full. She filled the glass with water. The tank was filled with gas before the trip. Fill, verb to occupy, to take up space, time, or a role. They hired a new employee to fill the vacant position. The song filled the room with energy. The act of filling or the quantity needed to fill something. I've had my fill of dessert, thank you. He ordered a burger with a fill of fries. Common phrases. Fill the gap. Fill up. Fill in for someone. Finger. Fingers, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. To touch or handle something with fingers. She wore a ring on her middle finger. He cut his finger while chopping vegetables. To point someone out, often in a negative sense. The child nervously fingered the edge of the table. She fingered the soft fabric, appreciating its texture. Informal verb. Someone fingered him as the culprit in the robbery. The witness refused to finger anyone in court. Common phrases. Lift a finger. Point the finger. Keep your fingers crossed.